Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling and opening the Emoji Keyboard. Go to Settings and add the Emoji Keyboard or a third-party app so it appears when you type. Once done, open a text field and tap the globe or emoji icon to switch keyboards. This is the fastest entry method. Make sure you know long press actions. They let you reveal skin tones and variations. If you add languages, hold the globe to jump between them for faster emoji access. You now refine how you find and customize emoji. Swipe or tap category tabs to jump to faces, objects, or symbols, and use the search bar to type keywords like party or dog to save time. Once you find an emoji, long press to reveal skin tones or alternate designs. This is why long press matters. If your keyboard supports favorites or frequently used rows, add high-use emoji there so you don't repeat searches later. You finish by inserting and editing. Tap an emoji to send or place it in line, then edit surrounding text as usual. Select the emoji and replace it if you need a different one. You can also combine emoji with stickers or GIF panes for richer messages. If an emoji is not showing correctly, update your device or install a keyboard that supports the latest Unicode. That fixes most compatibility issues. Finally, test by sending to your.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.